Hello guys, for today's video, magbabag raid tayo to my bugs school, like that. And we have two bugs. This one for the notebook and this one for the books and anything. And so, ay, unahin ko muna to. This is my first time na babag raid. And thank you sa 107 follow sa views sa ginawa kong egg sandwich. Thank you guys. And let's bag this one first. I am grade 5 na po. Yes po. Tanggalin ko muna ito. Oh, this ay a book. Siyempre, this is mahalaga. We have Filipino, Math, Mape. This is Mape. HE or EPP means Hele. English. GMRC. What is this? Wala ito guys. Makakalat ko. And AP. And we have science. And I have this one blue book for that test to the math. Yan. Yan. Tatlo pa lang sila. And no more na. Advisor namin ay lalaki. And I have 4A. Yeah, 4A. We need this guys. So, have a short 4A. Tapos, wala na. Ayun lang. Ito na nga. Dito sa kabila. Of
Comment
we have,
for part 2.
sorry guys. We have a wallet. This one, walang laman. Yan. And we have a red ball pen. Yeah. Balik na muna natin to. Yeah. Ayusin natin. Okay. Balik na muna natin. May nilagay lang ako. Yan. Okay na. Meron pa ata tayo dito eh. Oh, we have a ball pen. Ang daming ball pen. Oh, red ball pen again. Kakabili ko lang na ito guys. Asim. Balik natin sila dito kung saan sila nakalagay. And next one are this one. Asim. Of course, we have ball pen, highlighters, color green, and itong food trucks. We need this.
Okay lang nila yan.
Susumbong kita kay mama.
Ano po to?
And we have a book to the ano ba to? Mape. And math. Hindi nabasa ko to minsan. Or lang. And we have a paper. And this one, paper lang. Oh, these are time zone map. And we have a workbook mathematics 5. Ay, yeah. And activity sheet for mathematics. Kasi nga, yan. And wala na. ayun lang. Oh, may nakalimutan tayo. Pelton pen. Pinapadala to sa amin kasi pag susulat kami sa board, ayun yung kaya magsasagot kami sa board. Ayun yung ano namin.
Barel. Barel.
Ito yung ano namin, guys. Oh, nahulog. Akin na. Thank you. Ayan.
Ganda
Ayun
no guys.
lang
Ganda ng
naman.
ate ko.
Ayun lang naman, guys. So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you to the next vlog.